Hello all, how are you doing? So today I'm going to discuss about few topics of cloud computing and its fundamental parts. So let's see the topics of discussions today. The topics to discuss today is what is cloud computing means, what's the definitions of cloud computing. Second option is benefit of cloud computing, where it shows where we're using this cloud computing as a service, and the cloud models, different type of models and different cloud computing service models, and also the vendors of cloud. So let's see. So basically, cloud computing is just a way of delivering IT services through a web-based tools and applications. So whenever you are logging to Azure, Microsoft Azure, then you can see that you will be able to use the resources of Azure like software services, storage services, database services, networking services, and many more. So those sort of services and resources can be accessed by the portal, by the web-based tools. So that is called the Azure one. So whenever you're logging to portal.azure.com, you will be able to see all the services and can able to access it. So in my next classes, I'll be showing how to create a free account with Azure and how to log in there. You can see how to access those resources. Now let's go to the next slide. So let's see about the benefits of cloud computing. Then I've got 5 technical benefits, and that is for one is resource pooling, another one is on-demand self-services, third one is rapid elasticity, fourth is major services, fifth is broad network access. So we'll discuss each one of them. First one is resource pooling. Cloud service provides a highly scalable environment with access to all cloud computing resources you need. So basically it will be giving a high scalable environment where you can access all the cloud computing resource like VM, virtual machines, storage, databases as well. So this is the resource pooling. And also this is the next one is on-demand self-service. So it is like the organization can add resources they need. So whenever if you wish to generate one computer, one VM, then you can generate it as per the demand. So it will be like providing the on-demand service. So once the demand gets fulfilled, you can also delete the resources. And third one is rapid elasticity. So rapid elasticity is something like which allows you to scale up and down when needed, eliminating the need to maintain additional infrastructure, which only gets utilized under peak workloads. So basically it is saying that you don't need to maintain any physical servers, those physical infrastructure. So this is something related with the cloud one. They are providing all those infrastructure over the cloud, so you don't need to maintain anything. So whenever the workloads gets increased, you can also increase the infrastructure, the resources from the cloud side. And the fourth one is measured services. So it basically means it charges you as per your usage. So if you use something, and they will charge you for that, and whenever you're done with that, you can simply delete the resources and you won't be charged anything from the cloud service. And the fifth one is that's broad network access, which means it can provide you the connectivity around the world. So you can access this cloud service from anywhere around the world, and you can get the services as promised. Let's go to the next slides, which is the cloud service models. And this is basically shows the IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Means IaaS means infrastructure as service, PaaS means platform as service, and software, and SaaS means software as service. So basically IaaS uses by the infrastructure and network architects. So this is regarding the server and storage and network management. So this is completely depending upon the physical part of the server, storage and network management. So basically in this Azure IaaS is dealt by the Azure or cloud engineer. The next part is coming around, which is application developers, that is the platform as service. So it is giving its name says like the platform, you need to manage the services in the platform. So there is no need to manage the services, the server maintenance, storage and network maintenance as well. So this is only regarding the OS and application stack, server, storage, networks. And last one is software as service, which is the end users. So end users basically uses the all the software sides, front end, which is the packed software, OS and application stack, servers, storage, network. So those three services provides from the cloud side. Let's go to the next slide. I'll discuss more about the same. Yeah, and next slide is different cloud computing services models. Yes, so I was talking about the same, which is the IaaS1, infrastructure as service, PaaS1, platform as service, and the last one is software as service, SaaS. So it is also, you can see that the traditional IT services which was managed previously, like you can see the left column, which is showing that all the services, like all the services from networking to applications, all the services are managed by the admin previously. Now it's getting reduced, and over here you can see that as infrastructure as service, only 4 things are managed by the admins, which is applications, data, runtime and middleware, and rest, which is the rest on operating system, virtualization, servers, storage, networking are delivered as service. Means it is given from the vendor side. Like if you are using Microsoft Azure, so it's a Microsoft Azure's part to deliver these services. Like they are providing these operating systems, virtualization, servers, storage and networking. In the backend they are managing all the things. So what we are doing, we are just using the front end, which is the application, data, runtime and middleware. And the second one is platform as service. Platform as service, we are only managing this application and data. Rest, all the things, all the services are managed from the vendor side, like runtime, middleware, operating systems, virtualization, servers, storage and networking. And the last part is, which is software as service, and this is software as service where everything are managed by the vendor side. So we don't need to check, or we don't need to look into anything. We just need to enjoy all the platform related services. Hope it's clear to you. Now let's go to the next slide, which is the vendors. How many vendors are using this cloud service? So basically we can see that a lot of vendors are announced in India, which is AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Bluehost, and also all of them. So basically mostly usable cloud is AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. I am basically trained on Azure, Microsoft Azure Cloud. So in the next couple of sessions, I will be discussing more about this Azure, Microsoft Azure, and how it works and its fundamentals. So you'll get to know all the details in next couple of sessions. Alright, till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please do like and share my video. Take care. Tada. Bye bye.